So hey, my name is Shravan Dev and this is the first episode of Geeks on the Run. The first question which I would like to ask you all is, what do you all think about the Indian education system and what do you all hope for it to, now that the education system is started in India, where do you think and where do you feel that it is going forward?
Because people who are studying abroad, the IQ level is not so high as compared to Indians.
According to me, it's very depressing. The way teachers and parents behave with the students, it's really killing. And I am not in the favor of only studies part of what the parents are concerned about. According to me, it's really depressing. Putting all the pressure on the children. Even I myself is a victim of that.
What do you think about today's Indian education system?
Bad.
It sucks pretty much. The results come late. Some people fail on purpose so they can write the supply. And yeah,
That's an interesting view.
You mug everything and vomit it. And there's nothing you learn at the end of the 3 or 4 years of your degree.
Okay. Like how bad?
How bad? I think they should. Yeah, BTO bad. BTO bad. They should.
So I'm guessing you're from engineering?
Yeah, your guess is absolutely right.
Okay. And how is it bad?
They should actually take out the tests. There's no point. I think we should have more of practical knowledge that people like us don't really get. All this while they were basically studying in the books and everything, and suddenly this aero show comes and they, visit the exhibition and they're like, dude, it's so much more different.
Alright, so what would you improve on the system?
Just like if you guys have seen that movie Faltu, I really like the dialogue that you guys can pass on 35 marks but you don't give job below 70%. To keep the passing percentage at 70, right? Or give the job to everyone. I feel like maybe improving the percentage sales and the qualification criteria may be a helpful thing about the students who are not so good at studying.
See, it sucks. Basically, I'm an engineering student, so I'm totally against VTU. So, yeah, I hate the
And
whole-
you?
Throw away exams, throw away attendance. We'll come to college.
Okay, that's actually really smart, but I don't think you would come to college, would you?
We would just chill out in college.
It will never change. It's 50 years backward. Yeah.
So you're saying it's going back instead of forward?
No, it's stood there. That's it.
Okay, so my second question, yes. Yes, my second question to you all would be, do you all know what is a wormhole? No?
I think the person who studies whole.
No, that's a bookworm.
Okay, sorry.
Wormhole, the one in Interstellar, you mean?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know that.
Okay, so
Yeah, it's like travel through space-time, and it's like
And?
a passage between 2 points where you can travel from one place to another through time, through space.
through time and through space, nice. And do you think it is physically possible to?
I don't think so. I think it'll be way in the future by the time
So do you
it's
think?
even possible? Yeah.
Yeah, but do you see a future for it
Yeah.
happening?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look at mankind in the past 20 years. How much progress we made. Like
Nice, not
my
bad.
mom's generation, they didn't have phones. They didn't even have internet.
That is true. No one knows what a wormhole is.
Wormhole what? Basically, when we are thinking our world will scientifically end into a wormhole. Yeah, so all your planets are going to, attracted by the gravity of the world.
That is a black hole.
Yeah, that is a black hole, but... Oh, yeah, that is a black hole. I'm so sorry. Wormhole. Probably as dirty as Indian education system, maybe.
As dirty as Indian education is. Wow.
Fine. Okay,
Yeah?
calling me types thing?
No, I'm not.
Checking our education, Indian education.
Yes.
So basically, whatever I am right now, the whole of the Indian education system made me into this. So.
Do you know what a wormhole is?
In the movie Interstellar, they think that they can go to another galaxy with the help of a wormhole.
Oh, that's really smart. Congrats. Hats off to you. Congratulations. That is actually true. Hey guys, this is Shravan from Geeks on the Run. I just wanted to ask you all to leave your comments on what you all think about the Indian Education Society. Do leave your comments down below, subscribe and like to us. And also, you could ask your question and we would air it on our next episode. This was our first episode and hopefully you'll like it and we continue to do more. Cheers.